Amazon isn't just an e-commerce giant, they're the gold standard of customer engagement. With email marketing generating an estimated $36 for every $1 spent, Amazon's strategy has become the benchmark for success. Imagine this, what if you could harness the proven techniques and rebuild their entire approach in under just an hour using Klaviyo? Stay with me because today I'll show you exactly how to do that step by step. Why Amazon's email strategy matters. Amazon's email game isn't just about flashy subject lines. It's about precision, personalization, and trust building. Here's why their strategy is so effective. Hyper-personalized recommendation. Every email feels tailor-made thanks to their use of data. They know what you bought, browsed, and even wishlisted. Transactional emails that convert. Emails like "your package is on the way" aren't just updates. They're opportunities to upsell and reinforce trust. Timely follow-ups. From abandoned cart to product restocks, Amazon stays on top of your mind at the right time. Rebuilding Amazon's email strategy. Here we can see Amazon's welcome email to a new customer. And you notice how there's a clean layout with the Amazon logo at the top and a personalized greeting with their name. Amazon immediately highlights the key account features like orders, payment settings, Kindle management, and their digital content, with the branded shipping boxes reinforcing their identity. This welcome email also doesn't just say thanks, right? It guides the customer to explore Amazon's core features. Next, we have Amazon's order confirmation email. So this subject line contains the order information for quick recognition, and they recognize the personalization with "Hello Jimmy." Amazon clearly displays the order number, estimated delivery date, and includes an image of the personalized product. Below is an itemized breakdown of the cost, turning a simple receipt into a complete order summary, also with upsell opportunities here, redirecting people that open a order confirmation email to something like shoe store or home kitchen. Now, when Amazon ships, Amazon sends this streamlined notification. The message is brief but informative, which is really helpful to the customer. So it says your order is on the way but can no longer be changed. Estimated delivery date is highlighted, and the yellow, which says track your package button, drives action. Notice there's no promotional content here. Amazon solely focuses on shipping information. And then after your purchase, Amazon sends a comprehensive thank you email with a warm greeting. They offer immediate value by introducing Amazon services with icons and inscriptions like their Prime, Shop, and Go boxes, and then subscribe and save. And then below that, they can showcase Amazon's devices and finishes off with their social media connection. So this email really strategically introduces Amazon's entire ecosystem after capturing that first purchase. Here's how Amazon promotes their fashion site, My Habit. The personalized subject line invites the customer to join, while the value proposition is crystal clear here, right? It says up to 6% off of designer brands. They highlight 3 key benefits with professional fashion photography that elevates the perceived value. The shop now call to action stands out against the clean background, effectively extending Amazon's reach into fashion with this established trust. This targeted recommendation email demonstrates Amazon's personalization capabilities. The conversational opening asks if you're looking into pet apparel, followed by relevant product recommendations. In this case, Halloween costume. So each product follows the same format, right? Image, title, pricing with discounts, and an action button. This email shows Amazon's ability to send highly relevant product recommendations based on a customer's behavior. For major shopping events like Black Friday, Amazon creates urgency with clean design. The countdown to Black Friday header immediately sets expectations with the value proposition is refreshingly simple. For major shopping events like Black Friday, Amazon creates urgency with clean design. And the countdown to Black Friday header immediately sets expectations while the value proposition is simple. Deals this week, big saving, no waiting. So the gold call to action stands out, and below they promote Prime with holiday specific messaging. Amazon makes Black Friday shopping seems very easy and accessible with no line to wait, which is why customers go to them. And then after the purchase, Amazon follows with clever review requests for their products. They ask a simple question about the fit with a one-click response ranging from too small to too large. And by including a product image and making feedback really simple, Amazon maximizes review collection by removing all barriers, no writing required. They just need a click of a button. So now let's look at how we can recreate this in Klaviyo. So this interface lets you set up product recommendations that show items a customer has recently viewed. If there's limited viewing history, you can always default this to best-selling products from the recent month, but with just a few clicks, you can create a dynamic product recommendation similar to Amazon's, making personalized emails very accessible to your business of any size. So when you're building out an email, you'll go to this interface and you want to click on product, and then you want to drag and put it into the email, which you'll get something like this. Then in the settings, you want to go to product selections, product feed, and then you want to create a new product feed. This is what you want to name the product feed: recommended items, product a customer has recently viewed, or based on their recommendations with their Klaviyo AI. So just mess around with this and see what works for your brand. Mastering transactional emails. So for transactional emails, this Klaviyo template transforms a simple receipt into a revenue marketing opportunity. So the header offers the discount on the next order, followed by the order detail, billing, and shipping addresses side by side. And of course, the product information with an image. And the try your order button really helps drive post-purchase engagement, just like Amazon's approach to transactional emails. So this is a good email to sell because everyone opens the order confirmation email. Everyone wants to know where their order is. Here are some strategies redesigned with Klaviyo. So here is just some 3 examples of high converting emails you can create in Klaviyo. On the left, we have a holiday collection email using urgency and a specific delivery promise. In the middle, a restock notification creates excitement about a product that they've been watching with a bold headline and call to action. On the right, a promotional email featuring a seasonal discount with compelling product benefits. These 3 templates cover the main 3 type of emails in Amazon strategies and can be easily implemented into your own e-commerce brand. Amazon's email strategy might seem untouchable, but with the right tools and approach, you can replicate their success. By leveraging Klaviyo's capabilities, you can craft emails that not just only land inbox, but they drive click, conversion, and revenue. I recently helped an e-commerce brand generate over 100K in just 2 months with strategies like this, and I know you can achieve the same. If you're ready to step up your email game for your e-commerce brand, book a free strategy call with my team. We'll brainstorm ideas tailored to your business and map out a plan that works for you. Click the link and let's get started. Your Amazon level email strategy is just 1 hour away.